In the last 2 years, Lyco Manufacturing has helped our customers save over 1.6 billion gallons of water with our water reuse systems. Do you know that the U.S. population has doubled over the past 50 years, while our water usage has tripled? Currently, there are at least 40 states anticipating water shortages by 2024, so the need to conserve water is critical. Hello, I'm Steve Hughes, CEO of Lyco Manufacturing. Today I will be sharing with you a revolutionary screening system that Lyco has developed to help our customers achieve their water sustainability goals. It's the Sanitary Zero Maintenance Screen. This screen has been redesigned in recent years for in-plant process water screening applications for freezer defrost and CIP water. The 4 prominent features that our customers find important are the oil-impregnated bearing surface. This requires no trunnions and no lubrication. The fully automated system to eliminate labor. A sanitary design with CIP system and a user-friendly PLC. Call Lyco today so we can help you achieve your sustainability goals as well as improve your bottom line with a 1-year or less ROI. If we do not hear from you, we will follow up in a few days to see how Lyco can help you reduce your water usage and cost. Thank you for joining us today.